Hey family, we are at the Twisted Parrot RV Resort in Montgomery County near Conroe. It's not too far from the Margaritaville in Conroe, Texas. So this is a fairly new RV park wherein a lot of people come here during the summertime. It's spring break weekend, and so it's not super crowded. They're still building out there. There'll be more RV pads out there. And then also back here, here's where I'm parked. There was a few more rigs behind me over the weekend. It's Monday morning. And they do have bikes that people can rent. And of course, the golf carts. I always say that wrong. They have more over there that people can rent. I guess if people live back there, they can rent it. They do have some basic amenities. So let's go see what we have. So these are the shower areas. So if you're getting ready to go into the pool, you can shower off. In here, they do have the fitness center. We'll just take a peek in, which I was happy so I can get my steps in. But what I did do was take a couple laps around the RV park to get my steps in. There goes Angel playing with her friends. They have a bar back here that's only open a couple days a week. Right now during spring break, they do have restrooms that are clean. This is a pool, so the pool area is pretty cool. This is a jacuzzi area, and the pool has 2 levels. Jacuzzi is awesome. Pool water is still cold right now. It is March, so it hasn't quite heated up just as yet. They have a fire pit back there, and then they have a putting green down on the ground over there.
William, you broke this?
And hit that over there. So some of the other amenities they have. So the bar is either walk down or swim up. So that's cool. Let's see what else they have. They have the ring toss game, ping pong, the Connect Four, the cornhole. What is it? Y'all comment below. Is it cornhole? Cornhole. I think it's cornhole. And then they have the Jenga box right there. More little palapas where people can sit at. Here. Again, that's the bar area down there. So I think that's pretty cool. And then people can chill out at the lake over there. And one of the girls who lives here says that in the summertime, when I say live here, people who live way in the back, they do live here full time. She said in the summertime, they have slides here. It looks like they have a frisbee toss basket right there. And they do have a little putt-putt over here. And then I guess you could practice lassoing a cow right there. So let's go walk around the park and take another view. So here's the cute little bike that somebody can rent, and it has Margaritaville on there. Cute little bike. All right, so this is the park. We have different RVs. That's a cute little truck camper. It's amazing how much room is in there when it doesn't even look like it. So today, the weather has been okay for today. It has been overcast and rainy, but any day of camping is better than a day at home. I have been working remotely. Today's Monday. I did work remotely today, and I'm going to work remotely tomorrow. And then I'm officially on vacation Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're scheduled to check out on Thursday. I'll decide if we're going to stay through Friday. I was supposed to have a meeting on Saturday, but that meeting is now going to be remote. But I do have a breakfast meeting with one of my coworkers, and I don't want to reschedule. If not, I would probably stay through the weekend. So that's cute. See how it slides out? That would be the sleeping area right there. That's probably like the sitting area, dinette area. And they would probably have a kitchen. And they just have their house on top of a F Ford. What's this, a 250 or 350? Should be it's a 250. Okay, nice. So they only have one slide. Now what this can do, these little poles that are right here can extend down and it will lift that up. You see the little tie buckles right here? They unloose those buckles right there. Drop these feet and then they can actually leave this here, take the truck and pull the truck out and drive away and then come back and drive back into it. So that's pretty cool. But those things cost almost as much as a regular RV. So here's all different type of rigs. Some people do live here full time. They got a couple of Airstreams back here. And they do have some goats. So let's go walk over to the goats and I'll get back with you. Hey family, thanks for checking out the video. Check out part 2. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below. Let me know where you would like for me to go. Pick out an RV resort somewhere in the general Houston area, about an hour or so away. Let me see if we can make it happen and go out and check it out for you. Take some pictures, make a tour. All right, see you later. Bye.